guys, today I will be solving a Rubik's Cube. A little different. In my free time, I have been solving a Rubik's Cube. And it's under 6% of people out of 100. Only 6% can solve a Rubik's Cube. And I'm in that 6% because I could solve one. Which is pretty crazy, so I'm going to show you. I even have my own timer. And I'm going to start scrambling. Scrambling as much as I can. Okay. I'm gonna start solving. Completely mixed up. See how we do. Let's see if we get good scramble or poor scramble. 3, 2, 1, go. I barely got 39. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you want a tutorial, let's hit over 75 likes. Bye, guys.